Hey there! By default, the editor actions are only shown when the editor is active. But now you can make vscode to always show the actions regardless of whether the editor is active or not. Let's find out. Open the settings panel by using Ctrl and comma. Search for always show editor actions and tick this checkbox. Let's go back to our editors. And now the editor actions are always available even when the editor is not active. You can see them here. You can also enable this setting from the settings.json file. Workbench.editor.always show editor actions and set the value to true. And now you can see the editor actions here. Alright, that was it. If you enjoyed this video, consider checking out my VS Code playlist for more tutorials. Wishing you a wonderful day, and I look forward to catching you in the next one.